tua ma le au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Olusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lah ucapan lebih out. Mua tapi lah telepon ni time out tu inai lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fu? Matua I fasa ina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga papeni. Ota Samoa. Ore mota mo Samoa. Mado te fia au na pe mo o Samoa. Paftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Le whaamama awenga le nei ma le Pacific Isi mo au tupe whaamumoli Samoa a o tapuni ai ofisa mo le whawa yaso. Whaonga nei lolna wa unanga forward ta ua o le direct transfer. A whai wa yesa membership card ma e whaonga ina le internet banking o le matua I whaingo fia lava. Na o le tipose mai lava lau se leni mato account o le whaatino leo la foina o lau se leni mo a inga I Samoa. E ia inga I tahu na whaamaleina. Mo nisi whaamatalanga I le nei au nanga fo. Bala au le telefoni o valu se lau o tasi o nono po le lua fitu ono fitu iwa fitu wha. Pe text mai fo ilo suafa I le valu tolu o.
Telephone voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole lafo me ole pepa tala oloa. Ona whaangale e whaatau I oloa e au ngā mole ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai la sa so fua tau e lisia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaatau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua mau le apususi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le tferwa I malo telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo mer cash ona ino do tamao le ainga.
Pa te tu la vole tal pa voucher mo le foi au nang fo pa tai. Ma lu la le tam pai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Talofa lava everyone and welcome back to Pea and Claudia BluTable Podcast. It is day number 6 here in lockdown in Auckland. Unfortunately, we don't have Pea on the show today. We will listen to a little video that she sent in for us, but we have the beautiful Hana on the show joining me. She is the managing director, one of the managing directors, and also the head of sales at marketing for Bluwave. So hi Hana, thank you so much for joining me.
Talofa, thank you Claudia for having me on the show. Unfortunately, we can't get to have Pea on, but she's attending some more important matters today, but we will definitely get her on as soon as possible.
Definitely. No, so Pea unfortunately is currently in hospital. She has sent a video, so we are going to play that for you guys right now.
Talofa lava everyone, malole soifua maua malilangi e mama. I trust everyone is doing well. Yes, I am recording from Middlemore Hospital, Kids First. I didn't want to at first, but I thought it was important to share and how important it is for everyone to just stay in their bubble, please. It's difficult already to be in hospital alone, and we're not allowed visitors. The nurses and the doctors are working, under the pump. And the last thing we need here in Auckland is unnecessary pressure. It's our responsibility to keep our families and our community safe. So this is my message to everyone. If you find yourself in here, you're going to struggle, especially our Pasifika ainga. So please do yourself a favour. We've already seen an increase with locations of interest. Just stay home. I know that I can't stress that enough. Please stay in your bubble. Keep your family safe. Because once you're here in a hospital, it's like a double lockdown episode. It's cruel. You're here alone. You get stopped. Everything is controlled and managed. We are in isolation, and it's worse than being at home actually. But otherwise, thank you so much everyone for showing the love and support. Mad love to my girl Claudia and to our blue team. Take care, stay in your bubbles, honestly. Get yourself tested if you need to. If you are showing any signs, symptoms, please, don't take it lightly, because it's a cruel time here in hospital. So thank you everyone. God bless. We love you.
So unfortunately, like you saw in Bea's video, she currently is in hospital with her baby girl. They don't have COVID, just to make that perfectly clear. They don't have COVID, but they are in hospital for some other reasons. And, we send her lots of love and lots of hugs from us here at Bluwave. Yeah, are definitely missing out her on her absence, sorry. But it just goes to show, Hana, right, that it is so important and so critical in this day and time to stay home, stay safe. Remember the golden rules for alert level 4. Stick to your own bubbles, guys. If you aren't an essential worker, there really is no reason for you to be going out unless you're having to buy groceries. But guys, please stay at home. And Pea, I know you're watching this, so we send you heaps of love, heaps of kisses, and we can't wait to get you back on the show, because I'm sure all your fans are going to be missing you.
Absolutely. And another thing that it draws to is how important it is to stay home and leave these hospital beds for people who actually need it.
Yeah.
So make sure to ask your general health provider on the vaccines and how we can minimize the risk of catching COVID, and get educated around it. But yeah,
definitely. And I thought I'll include something funny that went viral. COVID-19 response Minister Chris Hipkins, and I think you know, Hana, what I'm talking about, right? But Minister Chris Hipkins, last week he got up on stage and he started talking to the media on the COVID cases, and he intentionally did an X-rated error, and he's told Kiwis about social distancing while they spread their legs, unfortunately. But
I actually saw another video, Claudia, of I don't know, I saw it on TikTok last night, and it was of Jacinda Ardern doing she didn't say the right words. It sounded like she said a swear word, but I don't know how true it was.
No.
But, I'll have to send it to you after this.
Definitely. Yeah. For you guys that don't know what we're talking about, we do have the video of Chris Hipkins. Now listen carefully, because it is quite hilarious, but it'll be playing now.
Challenge in higher density areas for people to get outside and to spread their legs when they are when they're surrounded by other people. Right, I shall go and stretch my legs. I'm sure you'll all have fun with me later.
Now, Hana, remember to social distance yourself when you're colleagues, apparently.
Chris Hipkins, what were you thinking, first of all? And
don't know.
what?
I wonder if sometimes, like, maybe the ministers and the Prime Minister are doing these mistakes intentionally to make us laugh. I don't know, because
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well, but
guys, yeah, no, but I thought I'd throw in a bit of humor, but just with the COVID update for today, there are 72 confirmed cases, 66 in Auckland and 6 in Wellington. 5 people are currently in hospital but are not requiring intensive care treatment. Almost 300 locations of interest, including an Auckland gym, supermarkets, tourism schools named. Now, Cabinet will meet today to decide on whether to extend the nationwide alert level 4 lockdown, and that decision will be announced at 4 p.m. by the Prime Minister. But guys, just mentally prepare yourself because there may be an extension, just due to current circumstances. But we are going to head into a short break, guys, and then we're going to get back and we're going to have an amazing discussion, because it's always an amazing discussion with Hana. For you guys that know her and have seen her on Asiata show, she is a very, very intelligent young lady. So we will be back with her after the break to talk all things business. See you soon.
O le whaamama awenga le nei ma le Pacific Easy, mo au tupe whaamumoli Samoa, a o tapuni ai ofisa mo le whaava yaso. Whaonga nei lolna wa unanga forward ta ua, o le direct transfer. A whai wa yesa membership card ma e whaonga ina le internet banking, o le matua e whaingo fia lava. Na o le tipose mai lava lau se leni matua account, o na whaatino leo la foina o lau se leni mo a inga I Samoa. E ia inga I tahu na whaamalia ina, mo nisi whaamatalanga I le nei au nanga fo. Wala au le telefoni o walu se lau o tasi o nono, po le lua fitu ono fitu iwa fitu wha. Pe text mai fo ilo suafa I le valu tolu o.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūlanga pitusili o le tāu. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau ai o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau ai le sia sa.
Le fia foi sau e mo mawina le foi au nang fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apasusi o sewa fine. So se paro loa whaingo pie, a me se le te wherua I malau telefoni tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e nori tamao re ainga.
Whaatea tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nang fo whaatai. Ma lua lava le taumpai.
Tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Talofa lava, guys, and welcome back to Pea and Claudia BluTable Podcast. Unfortunately, we don't have Phil on the show, but we do have the incredible Hana. Just before we get into this segment, I want to say a huge thank you to all you guys for always tuning in Monday to Friday, but also particularly to our sponsors, because without them, the show would not be possible. So huge thank you to Pacific Easy, who is making it easy to send money over, super easy money transfer. A huge thank you to Pacific 40, the beautiful Miss Samoa. She does an incredible job. And guys, this is just a friendly reminder. We are currently in lockdown, but we can still help out our family in the islands, especially in Samoa. So head over to Pacific 40. Buy a Talofa voucher. You can choose how much you want to purchase, from $30, $50, $100, $200. It's a great way to kind of start building up brownie points, because we are heading into Christmas. So guys, purchase your Talofa voucher. Huge thank you as well to Maota or Samoa, CQ Works, Say Oriana, and of course the Pacific Business Hub. And for everyone that owns a business, if you guys are having any issues at the moment, especially with lockdown, send an email to Laura at the Pacific Business Hub. They are an amazing help. But Hana, thank you so much for joining me today. I know it is very sunny outside, but thank you so much for joining me.
I should probably go for a walk.
I know.
Have you been out for a walk today?
Not today. I'm going to try and attempt to go on a run, but I don't know how good it's going to be.
We can keep each other accountable then.
Exactly.
I want to text you.
Exactly. Now, Hana, I thought that today, as one of the managing directors and the head of sales and marketing at Bluwave, I thought it'll be an amazing opportunity for you and for our viewers to listen to how lockdown has kind of been affecting Bluwave and business. So before we head into it, can you tell us a little bit about who and what Bluwave is?
Right. So, Wolf, that's a loaded question, but thank you for asking. Our mission statement and our vision is live and breathe Pacific.
Yeah.
So, basically, we're a collective of creative people who provide digital solutions for anyone. So that means we create websites, we do apps, we do graphic design, a lot of the things that businesses need for digital use online we can do, and we specialize in Pacific content. But also that's not our only arm. We also have a media arm. And that's focused on more positive Pacific content. So for example, this show right here, which the amazing Claudia and Pea run, is focused on our community, showcasing our community, sharing the concerns of our community, and making sure that there is a platform that these people can share their stories on. We also have another show called Tautaya Ima Asiata. So it's Asiata, it's a Samoan hosted show, and he brings on different leaders as well in the Samoan community. And we also have Lorenzo, who runs a healthcare show which focuses on Pacific health. So Bluwave is a business dedicated to the Pacific, but we're not only there for business, we also deeply care about Pacific people and the issues that we face, and we do what we can as a business to support in different ways.
Yeah.
For example, one would be we've noticed that it's hard for university graduates to enter certain fields that they studied in. So what we're trying to do is we're providing a gateway for them to enter those fields so that they can work in, film, they can work in videography, and have these jobs that are actually quite hard to tap into. But overall, if I was to describe Bluwave, it's a team of people who are very passionate about Pacific peoples and who are there to uplift our community through business and economic development.
Yeah, I could have not said it any better, Hana. I know I'm a little bit biased because I do work for Bluwave myself, and I absolutely love it. But like you said, we are all about uplifting the community. We do all these amazing things. We, guys, head over to the Bluwave Facebook page to keep up to date with all our amazing projects that we are on. We've had the opportunity and the privilege to work with organizations such as MPP, and it's 2 days are never the same at Bluwave, right?
Exactly.
It's always positive, but unfortunately we are in lockdown, day 6 today, with the expectation that it is going to extend. How has lockdown impacted Bluwave?
So we've all had to work from home. So when the lockdown was announced, we all had that meeting at the office. It felt like a breakup.
It did. And I remember you crying and me too. We were all just packing up, and we were heading up to the cars, and it literally felt like going through a breakup.
Yeah, it literally felt like a breakup. And I think the saddest part to this is that I don't get to see our team's beautiful faces every day, annoying each other every day. So I guess, now we're working from home. So when the announcement was made, we all met at the office, and we took our computers home, we took the necessary gear home, and now we're all working from home. So fortunately, our business can operate without physical contact. Yeah. So for that, I guess we are blessed, I guess, because my heart goes out to all the businesses who are currently suffering right now because they can't operate, butchers, small businesses, all of them who are suffering right now. My heart goes out to them. Yeah. But for Bluwave, we're all operating from home now, and we're getting work done differently, but we have our Zoom team meetings in the morning. We make sure we check up on everyone's mental health. And
by the way, for doing that.
And just making sure everyone is okay and looked after.
Yeah. Like you do, like what we both mentioned, that it was kind of like going through a breakup when we were heading into lockdown. You know, how has it been for yourself and the other managing directors supporting your employees, you know, in these adaptable and agile work circumstances?
That's the word, agile work circumstances. Thankfully, Rosie and Manu are really, 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 really hard workers.
Yeah.
I learn a lot from them. Like, so Rosie and Manu, sorry, for everyone who doesn't know, are also our other managing directors, Manu being our CEO and founder. You know, they've been behind the scenes doing so much, trying to organize everything, trying to make sure everyone's getting paid and all those things. And I'm so thankful for them. But they teach me a lot. I'm learning a lot through them. So they've been managing a lot of the staff really well. And to be honest, I think we're doing well so far.
Yeah.
Like coming into the second week of lockdown, we're doing pretty good.
Yeah. And the you know, the amazing thing that I really like about the management team, which is Hana, Rosary and Martin, is that they've scheduled in a team meeting every day for 10 o'clock. And we all and it's not just about work, because we're all talking about like our mental health, what we did over our weekend, you know what. Exactly. No, Pea, the beautiful Pea, is tuning in, and she's saying that she can't operate without physical contact with you guys. That yes, we miss you too, Pea.
Yeah, exactly. That's the saddest part to this, is that we don't get to annoy each other every day, which I actually enjoy.
The word annoying is also making me think of another person in our team. I'm gonna say a shout out to Pale.
No names. No names.
You know that I love her, but like yes, you know we just always have like a great time in the office, and it is quite hard for us. To kind of not be next to each other. But
exactly.
You know, talking about Pale, you know, the whole entire team has kind of become a lot more creative now. I know Pale has done amazing jobs at like doing these videos. We do have the videos for her, from him to show you guys. So they're going to be on the screen right now.
So you might as well keep your smile. But I know you're good for it. You never let me down. I know you're good for it. You always hold me down. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you lately. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you. If you want this, I gotta come get this. I gotta be. Yeah, yeah, everything you want me to be, baby. 'Cause if you need to be feeling buzzy, but I'm gonna be heavy, yeah.
Are you hungry too now, Hana?
Yep.
That was so good. I love that. But you know,
Yeah.
it's just a good example of like how the team are getting like really creative while still being productive during this lockdown. So you know, big ups to you guys for motivating us and keeping us on our toes.
Yes, absolutely.
But you know, Bluwave isn't just about the team and our mission statement. It's also about our customers.
Mm.
How has this lockdown impacted the Bluwave customers?
A lot of, I guess, so because we can't be in person, a lot of our services have been cut off, such as photography
Yeah.
or videography, and also some projects have been delayed because of this lockdown.
Yeah.
But there's ways that we've managed to work around that, and yeah, so I think it's a lot of what other businesses are facing as well, which is delay in projects, and
Yeah.
the services that do require physical contact we can't do anymore.
Yeah. So what big opportunities do you see existing for business owners born out of COVID and lockdown?
Business opportunities. I think similar to last lockdown, there was a lot of investment into e-commerce and
Yeah.
also content and media. So I think everyone needs to adjust around learning how to work agile and learning how to work from home.
Yeah.
And base your operations around that, because you know we can't, as we've seen through both lockdowns, that being able to adjust to to a lot of changes is an important part to business, and should be inserted every time someone is thinking of a business idea or currently creating their structure.
Yeah. No, that's a very, very good point, Hana. And you know, business has changed forever with COVID-19. So what steps are you taking as the head for sales and marketing at Bluwave? What steps are you taking, I guess, to best position Bluwave to be its best and most profitable and serve our customers after, I guess, or after these challenges kind of like stop existing?
Right. So one thing I've done personally is I've followed up on clients who I know maybe going through a lot because of the current announcement, and just sending out a check-in message. And you know, business is always so professional, but it's always good to check on the people you work with. Ask, do you guys need help? Are you guys okay? How can we assist you with anything that you need?
Yeah.
And I think that's important, is fostering those business relationships and ensuring that you're looking after the people who walk through your doors, not only when they give you money, but you know, when they need help.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things I've done so far, is just not taking care, but reaching out to our clients, our pre-existing clientele.
And I love that, because it isn't just about business. Like you said early on, it's about the community, and it's about doing what's best for our Pacific Island community. I absolutely love you. What do you think has permanently changed in the way that we do business for Bluwave and in general?
Permanently changed? I think that's a question you'd have to ask Martin and Rosie. I don't have an answer for that, because I feel like the directors, especially Martin and Rosie, they work in a way where they can adjust really easily.
Yeah.
So last minute changes is not a big deal for them. They're used to it. They're built that way.
Yeah.
So in regards to permanent changes right now, from my perspective, I don't think there are any, because we're just willing to adjust with the times.
Yeah.
But that's probably a question to best ask them.
Beautiful. So Martin and Rosie, if you are tuning in and watching this show, when can I get you on the show? I want to get into so much trouble. But Hana, we are going to be wrapping up quite soon. Do you have any final words?
Final words is just stay safe, everyone. Make sure you're getting educated about the current situation, the level 4 lockdown, the vaccines, the masks. after each other. Check in on your loved ones, check in on your friends. Mental health, even my mental health has not been the best, but thankfully I have a good support system there, that I can go and vent to and things like that. But just stick together. I don't want to be a negative Nancy during these times, although there are experiences out there that are very, they're not the best experiences, but the best thing we can do is stay positive and stick together.
Beautifully said, Hana. And talking about being positive, we are getting a lot of comments, showing support and love for our girl Pea. So thank you so much for everyone tuning in and for all the love and prayers that you guys are sending. We also have a comment from Georgie, Hana, who says, are you both going to do a dance or sing in lockdown? I heard from a little birdie that Hana sings.
Is this Georgie from PMN?
Yes, the very one. Do you want to give us a little preview now?
Georgie, if Georgie responds back to this, Georgie, what song do you want me to sing? If you respond back, I will sing for you in the next 10 seconds. If you don't respond in the next 10 seconds,
oh God, I really hope
we'll have to pass that one.
Georgia, we've got 10 seconds. Please comment. I really hope he hasn't moved out. But that's one of the things I miss as well, though. Being at the Pacific Hub in the office, we usually play like a lot of like songs, and Hana usually sings out. And for those of you that haven't heard Hana sing, she's got an absolutely amazing voice. Georgie hasn't commented, but I think
that,
because we are talking about being positive.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just get you to sing a little bit anyway.
Okay. Request a song, Claudia.
Wait, we got Flora. Flora is watching. Flora, is there a song that you can request for Hana to sing? Wait, yeah. This is gonna happen because that's one of the things that I miss. I really do miss your singing. But in the meantime, while Flora is deciding what song for Hana to sing, we are going to, in the spirit of keeping a positive and healthy mindset, the team at Bluwave have decided to do a Bluwave team cook-off. Now, I don't know if this is going to go very well or very wrong, but pretty much everyone is going to choose a plate to cook. And then later on this week, we're going to have photos and videos, and you guys are going to decide who wins.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm really ready for that, I've got my dish ready. But I'm really excited for that.
Okay. We've got a few song requests, Hana, so I'll let you choose. Number one, it's More Than Words. Or number two, Have No Fear. Number three, I Want It That Way from the Backstreet Boys, which I love. Or Three Little Birds.
Three Little Birds. Oh, this is a hard one. Okay, let's go with Three Little Birds.
Perfect. So Paolo, Tua, this is for you. She's chosen your song, Three Little Birds. Enjoy.
Oh my gosh, I have to search the lyrics. 1 second.
This is amazing.
I can't believe you made me do this, Claudia. I think we're going to have an HR meeting.
HR.
Oh, I'm getting really nervous now.
No, you got this.
Lyrics.
Just imagine we're in the office and music is YouTube.
I'm only singing 20 seconds of this song.
It's amazing.
Yay. Okay.
Sorry. I can just imagine the messages I'm going to get from you after this. Okay, yeah, I'm being serious.
Three little birds sit by my doorstep. Actually, I will sing for you next segment, okay? I will prepare the segment for the next segment, but we will prepare this for another time. Sorry, I'm so unprepared for this. And I apologize for saying I was going to sing.
No.
I'm very nervous and I can't pull through. Sorry, guys.
It's all good. But, guys, we do have it on video that as she is going to prepare herself and she's going to join us tomorrow, hopefully, as she's going to bless us with her beautiful voice and she's going to sing Three Little Birds for. So for everyone that is waiting for that, tune in again tomorrow, and it's going to be
And I'll bring my guitar too. I'll bring my guitar.
Even better. Even better. So thank you so much for tuning in, everyone, and thank you as well to Hana for being on the show today. It's been absolutely amazing. And once again, I want to say a huge thank you to all our sponsors, Pacific Easy, Pacific 40, Malta Samoa, Seki Works, Say Oriana, and the Pacific Business Hub. It's such a big blessing that we have so many sponsors. So thank you so much. And thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Thank you, guys. See ya.
Bye.
Squad, baby. Rex, J Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm a say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting for me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move on in and come here. Yeah, they on the nail, to dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, tama in and not the bite, don't get out, say.